A whole foods diet is all about eating foods that are as close to their natural state as possible. Think fresh fruits, veggies, whole grains, nuts, seeds, and lean proteins. It's not about cutting out food groups. It's about choosing real, unprocessed foods that nourish your body. Processed foods often contain added sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients. Whole foods, on the other hand, are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber that keep you energized and support your health. Plus, they taste amazing. You don't have to overhaul your diet overnight. Start by swapping one processed food for a whole food alternative. For example, replace sugary cereal with oatmeal topped with fresh fruit. Small changes add up. When shopping, check the ingredients list. If it's long or full of words you can't pronounce, it's probably processed. Look for foods with simple, recognizable ingredients. Fill half your plate with fruits and veggies. They're rich in nutrients and fiber, which keep you full and satisfied. Try adding spinach to your smoothies or snacking on carrot sticks with hummus. Cooking at home gives you control over what goes into your meals. Start with simple recipes like roasted veggies, grilled chicken, or a hearty grain ball. You'll be surprised how easy and delicious it can be. Swap chips and cookies for whole food snacks like nuts, fruit, or boiled eggs. Keep them handy so you're less tempted to reach for processed options. Water is essential for your health. Sometimes thirst is mistaken for hunger, so drink plenty of water throughout the day. Add a slice of lemon or cucumber for a refreshing twist. Transitioning to a whole foods diet is a journey, not a race. Celebrate your progress and don't stress over slip-ups. The goal is to feel better and enjoy your food. Switching to a whole foods diet doesn't have to be complicated or overwhelming. Start small, make gradual changes, and enjoy the benefits of feeling healthier and more energized. Remember, it's all about progress, not perfection. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on living a healthier, happier life. See you in the next video.